Cats are known for their wide range of vocalizations, and one of their most distinct forms of communication is meowing. Unlike other feline vocalizations such as growls, purrs, or hisses, which are often used in interactions with other animals, meows are primarily directed at humans. Cats have developed the ability to alter their meows depending on the situation, using different tones, pitches, and durations to convey specific messages. This variation in meowing is a result of both evolutionary adaptation and learned behavior, allowing cats to communicate their needs, emotions, and desires effectively with their human companions. One of the main reasons cats meow differently depending on the situation is that they have learned that humans respond to vocal cues. In the wild, adult cats rarely meow to one another. Instead, they rely on body language, scent marking, and other vocalizations such as yowls and hisses. However, domestic cats have adapted to human interaction by refining their meows into a form of communication that mimics how human infants get attention from their caregivers. Over time, cats have developed specific meows that elicit different responses from their owners, effectively training humans to understand their vocal patterns. The pitch and tone of a cat's meow can indicate its emotional state or the urgency of its request. High-pitched, short meows are often associated with greetings or excitement, such as when a cat welcomes its owner home after being apart. These meows tend to be soft and friendly, resembling the chirping sounds a mother cat uses to communicate with her kittens. In contrast, longer and more insistent meows, especially if repeated in a series, typically indicate a demand for attention, such as a request for food or to be let outside. A drawn-out, low-pitched meow may signal dissatisfaction or annoyance, while a loud, sharp meow could indicate frustration or impatience. Hunger is one of the most common reasons cats meow, and they often develop a specific type of vocalization to request food. Many cat owners report that their pets use a distinct meow when they are hungry, which may be more intense, higher in pitch, and repeated persistently. Studies have shown that some cats even incorporate a subtle purring sound within their meows when begging for food, creating a combination that mimics the frequency of a human baby's cry. This sound is particularly difficult for humans to ignore, suggesting that cats have evolved their meows to be as effective as possible in getting their needs met. When a cat is feeling lonely or seeking attention, its meows may become more melodious and drawn out. These meows often occur when a cat is left alone for long periods or when it wants interaction from its owner. Some cats will follow their humans around the house, meowing softly as a way of staying engaged and requesting companionship. This behavior is more common in highly social breeds such as Siamese cats, which are known for their talkative nature and ability to hold conversations with their owners. Cats also modify their meows when they are distressed or in pain. A cat experiencing discomfort may emit a low, mournful meow that is different from its usual vocalizations. This type of meowing can indicate illness, injury, or emotional distress and should be taken seriously by pet owners. If a cat suddenly starts meowing excessively or changes the tone of its meows dramatically, it may be a sign that something is wrong, and a veterinary checkup may be necessary. In some cases, cats use specific meows as a means of requesting access to certain areas or objects. A cat that wants to go outside may use a short, rhythmic meow while standing by the door, while a cat asking to be let into a closed room may use a higher-pitched, repetitive meow. Some cats also develop unique meows for specific household routines, such as a distinctive call when it's time for bedtime or a certain sound when they want to be picked up. This ability to create customized meows suggests that cats are capable of associative learning and can adjust their vocalizations based on past experiences and observed human behavior. A cat's age can also influence how it meows. Kittens meow frequently to communicate with their mother, using high-pitched cries to signal hunger, cold, or discomfort. As cats grow older, their meowing typically decreases, especially when interacting with other cats. However, some cats continue to use kitten-like meows well into adulthood, particularly if they have been raised in close contact with humans who consistently respond to their vocalizations. Breed differences also play a role in meowing behavior. Certain breeds, such as Siamese, Oriental Shorthairs, and Bengals, are known for being exceptionally vocal and expressive, often using a wide range of meows to communicate with their owners. Other breeds, such as Persians and British Shorthairs, tend to be quieter and less likely to engage in extensive vocalization. However, individual personality also plays a significant role. And even within the same breed, some cats may be more talkative than others. Another factor influencing how cats meow is their level of stress or anxiety. A cat experiencing changes in its environment, such as moving to a new home, the arrival of a new pet, or disruptions in its routine, may meow more frequently or with a different tone. Stress-induced meowing is often more urgent sounding and may be accompanied by pacing, hiding, or other signs of anxiety. In extreme cases, excessive vocalization can be a symptom of cognitive dysfunction in older cats, where disorientation or confusion causes them to meow at unusual times, such as during the night. Ultimately, the ability of cats to modify their meows based on different situations demonstrates their intelligence and adaptability. Unlike dogs, which rely heavily on body language and barking, cats have developed a sophisticated vocal communication system that allows them to interact effectively with humans. By paying attention to the variations in pitch, tone, and frequency of a cat's meows, owners can better understand their pet's needs and emotions, strengthening the human-cat bond and ensuring a more fulfilling relationship.